I'm back in the kitchen and we're gonna make hot cocoa for Christmas gifts. I want you to see what I found at the Dollar General store. I was tickled to death. They had these jars and they had, hold that thought. I should have done this ahead of time, but I didn't. They had these jars and on the front they say candy cane, and the other one has Christmas trees on it. And so then the lids have candy canes, and then the Christmas trees have Christmas trees. So these are absolutely perfect to give little gifts in. I mean, it couldn't be better. And they were $1 a piece. Well, I was going to buy jars to do this anyway, and regular mason jars are $12.97 a dozen. So these were $1 a piece, so that made it $12 for the dozen. And they were embossed with the little Christmas thingies on the front. And then the lids are red and green, and they were just too cute to pass up. And then when I got to the register, I really was happy, because they rang up 25% off, which made them 75 cents a jar. I was tickled to death. So we're gonna make hot cocoa gifts and put them in these jars. Okay, you only need 4 ingredients to make homemade hot cocoa that you can keep year-round on your shelf or give as gifts at Christmas. You need some sugar, some salt, some Hershey's cocoa or just cocoa powder, and some dry instant milk. Now, I like the instant milk better than the other because it's easier to melt, or not melt, but dissolve. That's the right word, dissolve. If anyone know what we're going to do next, well, we're just going to make it, because this is really easy, doesn't take any time, and these make excellent Christmas gifts. Anyway, all right, we're going to get started. We need 4 cups of dry milk, 2 cups of sugar, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of cocoa. And this is a pint jar, so that's 2 cups of cocoa. It doesn't want to come out. There it goes. Now I'm going to start sneezing. And we're going to mix that all together. Whoops. Look at it kicking up that dust. Oh my goodness. you go to make your cocoa, it's 1 8-ounce cup of water to 1/4 of a cup of your mix. So in order to make 4 cups of cocoa, I'm going to put 4 of these in each jar. About 4. Randy can't count. 1. And it is a powdery mess now. I mean, that cocoa powder just flies everywhere. And this one recipe, I'm pretty sure, makes 6 of these little jars. If you need more than that, you just mix you up another batch, or you could double it. I mean, you could easily just go ahead and double it. In fact, that's what I should have done to start with. Now, the only thing left to make these the perfect little Christmas gift is to take these little bags that I got from Dollar Tree. You get like 40 in a pack for the $1.25. And we're just going to put those right inside the bag, right inside the jar. Nice and open. Okay, they're just these little party time Ziploc bags. And they fit right down in the jar, just like that. You want to open it up. And then we're just going to drop some marshmallows in there. Enough for the 4 cups of hot cocoa. And so the lid will close. Just do that. Give it a little zip. Slide it in there. Put one of those cute little, let's make sure, yeah, Christmas tree to Christmas tree. There you go. Isn't that just too cute? Just too cute. So, there's a great idea for a really great Christmas gift, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.